Welcome to Sally Melodies classroom where we learn basic music. Today we have something different. It's an interval. And this is lesson 1. What is an interval? What comes into your mind when you hear people talk of interval in music? So, in simple words, an interval is a distance in pitch from one note to another. An interval is a distance in pitch, you underline the word pitch, from one note to another. It is measured by the number of notes or letters from the first to the last, where both are included in the count. We must repeat that statement. It is measured by the number of notes or letters from the first to the last, where both are included in the count. What do we mean? We mean that, for example, if we want the interval between, let's take the scale of C. If we want the interval between C to D, you must count this note and you must count this note also. Both notes are included in the count. So this is 1 and this is 2. For example, if the interval is from C to F, you must count both. This is 1 and then we have D and E, that is 2 and 3, so that F will be 4. So even here we have a scale of C. So from here to here, from C to D, those are 2 notes. From C to F, those are 4 notes. From C to G, those are 5 notes. That is why we are saying both notes are included in the count. The first note and the last note here, which is G, must be included in the count. So we count from C to G, that is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what we mean. And then down here, we have summarized. We have done a summary of what we are supposed to do. So from C to D, that is an interval of a second. We have 2 notes. We have C, we have D. Those are 2 notes. So the interval is the interval of a second. From C to E, it is an interval of a third. Because in between here, we only have one letter or one note, which is a D. So if you count, you will see 1, 2, 3. So the interval between C to E is a third. Same applies to C to F. So between C and F, we have D and then we have E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you get an interval of a fourth. Between C to G, we have D, E, and F. So the letters that are included in this interval are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that it can give you an interval of a fifth. We are still moving. So from C to A, you will see that we have C, D, E, F, G, A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From C to A, you will get an interval of a sixth. From C to B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Those are 7 notes or 7 letters. So it will definitely give you an interval of a seventh. And then from C to C, it is an octave. And remember we said octave means 8. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from C to the other C, you will have an interval of an octave. So you just count like that. There is no other way of counting. There is no other way of counting the intervals. As we have said, from the first note to the last note, this one also is included in the count. And when you do that, you will never miss it. You will never miss the count. So, we are going to look at more of this in details in the next lesson. Thank you very much for joining this class. See you in the next class.